Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review video. So today I'm going to review this Cuffs and Lashes Colourpop eyeliners for you guys. So if you want to know my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon. So don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's get started with the video. So I'm going to do a review of this. This is the Cuffs and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar Colourpop eyeliners. So I have two shades with me. This brand is owned by Nidhi Katiyar. She is a YouTuber herself. So first let's talk about the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this kind of a tube packaging, and the bottom is transparent, so you can see the shade through it, and the top is of matte black color. And then there is this tag. So on this tag everything is mentioned, the shade number and the manufacturing expiry date, MRP, how much it contains, ingredient list. So everything is mentioned on this tag itself. I personally really like the packaging of this. And once you open this, this is how the applicator looks like. It's a really nice applicator. You can draw a thin to thick eyeliner with this, and these eyeliners are made in India, and also this is cruelty free and paraben free, which is a really nice thing. This eyeliners contains 8 ml of product in it, and it retails for just rupees 250, which is such an affordable prices for colored eyeliner, and that also matte ones to retail for such an affordable price. I think it's really nice. This eyeliners comes in total of 8 shades, from which I have picked 2 for myself. So the shades that I picked up is Gulabo and BTS Love. It's a purple shade and a pink shade. I picked this too. It's like a dark pink one. They also have a light pink. This one is the dark pink. These eyeliners are complete matte eyeliners. These are not at all glossy or shiny ones. These are completely matte. So I've used the shade Gulabo today on my eyes. I really liked it. And I also used a black eyeliner from Cuffs and Lashes itself. So now I will give you guys a quick swatch of this eyeliner. So I will give you a swatch right here. So as you can see, this is just one swipe, and these are so pigmented, and yeah, you can draw like a thick to a thin, however you want. The pigmentation is really nice. I personally really liked it. So as you can see, this is the swatch. So as you can see by the swatch, the pigmentation of this eyeliners are super good. Now I can only talk about these 2 shades. So both the shades, BTS Love and Gulabo, these are super pigmented, and in one swipe you will get an opaque color, but still I will recommend you guys to apply 2 coats of this eyeliners, because that way it will just show up really nicely. In one coat it might look a little sheer, and these eyeliners are smudge proof as well. As you can see, there is no transferage, so this eyeliner stays on for good more than 7 to 8 hours. For sure it will stay on, and it is very long lasting as well. So yeah, I really love this eyeliners. This particular shade called Gulabo does stain a little bit, like very slightly, but yes, it does stain. I knew it because Nidhi ma'am had already told that it does stain. So yeah, that you have to keep in mind, but other than that everything is really nice. These eyeliners are really good, you guys. These are colored eyeliners, and at such an affordable price, just for 250. I guess it's a steal deal. Nidhi ma'am has done a really good job with this eyeliners. I personally love them, and I will highly recommend you guys to try it out if you haven't tried it already. So I will mention all the links in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. Now I personally got this eyeliners from Cuffs and Lashes itself, so I will provide that link as well. And also these are available on Flipkart and Amazon, so I will provide all the links in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. So yeah, now I will insert the swatches. I have swatched both these eyeliners on my eyelids. And yeah, that was my review on this Colourpop eyeliners for you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, then please hit on that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit on that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.